Hello, and welcome to the Great Garden channel. This is the peace lily plant that I bought from a store on sale for only $2. When I first brought it home, the plant looked truly miserable. The leaves were wilted, drooping, pale in color, and it almost seemed lifeless. Many people would probably ignore a plant like this, but I knew that with the right care, a peace lily can absolutely recover and become healthy and green again. In today's video, I will share with you a very simple but effective plant care method using only familiar ingredients that are already available in your kitchen. This method helps the plant recover faster, stimulates root growth, keeps the leaves green and glossy, and supports healthy growth again. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you will not miss any plant care tips from Great Garden. Let us get started right away. After bringing the plant home, the first thing to do is remove all yellow, dry, wilted, or damaged leaves. This helps the plant avoid wasting nutrients on parts that can no longer recover, while also reducing the risk of fungal disease spreading to healthy leaves. Next, gently separate the plant into individual clumps. This gives the root system more space to grow, reduces nutrient competition, and makes it easier for you to care for and restore each plant more effectively. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. The next step is washing the plant under clean running water. At this stage, gently rinse away the remaining soil around the roots, avoiding harsh scrubbing that may damage healthy roots. Cleaning the roots helps remove old soil, dirt, bacteria, and decayed root debris, thereby reducing the risk of root rot after repotting. In addition, cleaner roots make it easier to identify damaged sections and help the plant absorb water and nutrients more effectively in its new environment. After that, place the plant in a dry, airy place away from direct sunlight. This allows the plant time to rest and stabilize after root treatment. At the same time, the cut areas on the roots can dry naturally, helping reduce the risk of bacterial or fungal infection. While waiting, I will prepare a solution that helps disinfect and support plant recovery. First, prepare 1 liter of clean water. I use baking soda to disinfect the plant. Baking soda has mild alkaline properties that help clean and support the removal of bacteria, mold, and harmful organisms attached to the surface of the roots and leaves. Add 1 spoonful of baking soda to the water. Use a spoon to stir thoroughly until the baking soda dissolves completely. This helps the baking soda distribute evenly throughout the solution, improving the cleaning and disinfecting effect. At the same time, the solution becomes more stable, making it gentler and safer for the plant during use. After the plant has dried, gently place it into the solution and soak the roots for 15 minutes. This allows the roots to slowly absorb the nutrients and disinfecting compounds in the solution, helping the roots recover faster after treatment. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. At the same time, use a soft cotton pad dipped in the baking soda solution and gently wipe the entire surface of the leaves. This step helps remove dirt, residue, and fungal organisms from the leaves, keeping them cleaner, more breathable, and improving photosynthesis for the plant. If this video helps you better understand how to properly care for your plants, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss upcoming videos. While the plant is soaking for 15 minutes, I will prepare the potting mix for replanting. First, prepare about 50% garden soil. Garden soil contains many natural minerals and retains nutrients well, providing the plant with a stable nutrient source during growth. Next is 50% coconut coir. Coconut coir retains moisture effectively, while still allowing airflow around the roots, helping prevent compacted soil and supporting healthier root growth. Prepare a pair of gloves to protect your hands while mixing and handling the potting medium. This helps reduce direct contact with soil, dust, and the ingredients in the plant treatment solution. Prepare a clean pot like the one shown in the video. Next, combine the coconut coir and garden soil together, then mix thoroughly by hand. Mixing evenly helps distribute the materials uniformly throughout the potting medium, creating a more stable environment for the plant. Garden soil retains nutrients, while coconut coir improves aeration and maintains balanced moisture for the roots. In addition, this mixture balances drainage and moisture retention, helping the roots grow healthier and absorb nutrients more effectively after repotting. After 15 minutes, once the plant has absorbed enough solution and has been disinfected, remove it from the soaking container. Next, use a soft towel to gently wipe away any excess moisture remaining on the roots and leaves. This helps prevent prolonged dampness that could lead to rot or create favorable conditions for fungal disease. At the same time, gently drying the plant also improves airflow around the roots, helping the plant stabilize more quickly before being replanted into fresh potting mix. Now we will begin repotting the plant. First, prepare a pot with drainage holes like the one shown in the video. This type of pot allows excess water to drain easily, helping prevent water accumulation that can cause root rot. Important note, thread a string through the drainage hole at the bottom of the pot, like in the video. This string helps wick water upward from the bottom into the soil above, maintaining stable moisture around the roots without requiring excessive watering. Next, spread a thin layer of soil at the bottom of the pot. This layer creates a foundation for the roots, helps stabilize the plant, and creates space for better drainage at the base. Then place the plant in the center of the pot, keeping it upright and spreading the roots naturally so the plant can grow more evenly. Finally, add more soil around the roots and lightly cover the top to secure the plant. This layer helps retain moisture, protect the roots, and create a stable environment for the plant to adapt quickly after repotting. That is it. We have completed repotting the plant. Next, prepare a plastic cup, like the one shown in the video, then gently place the pot on top of it. This method helps keep the planting area cleaner and makes it easier to manage excess water drainage after watering. At this point, You can use clean water to gently water around the base of the plant. The excess water will slowly drain through the holes at the bottom of the pot, helping the potting medium maintain balanced moisture without allowing water to accumulate around the roots. This helps reduce the risk of root rot. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Place the plant in a dry, airy place away from direct sunlight for the first 3 days. This period helps the plant stabilize after repotting and root treatment, while also reducing water loss or leaf burn caused by strong sunlight. After 3 days, I prepare a root-stimulating fertilizer solution for the plant. The first ingredient I use is rice. Rice contains starch, B vitamins, and natural minerals that help nourish beneficial microorganisms in the potting medium, while also supporting plant recovery and more stable growth. Prepare a clean glass cup. Then add about 3 spoonfuls of rice, as shown in the video. The next ingredient is oats. Oats contain many organic nutrients, minerals, and natural vitamins that help improve the environment around the roots. Add 1 spoonful of oats together with the rice mixture. Next, pour about 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup to help release nutrients from the rice and oats. Then use a spoon to stir thoroughly so the nutrients from the rice and oats dissolve and blend into the water more effectively. This creates a natural, nutrient-rich solution that is easier for the plant to absorb. Finally, cover the cup and let the solution steep for 1 hour. After about 1 hour, once the solution has completely cooled, strain out all residue and keep only the clear liquid without sediment. This liquid is the natural nutrient solution that we will use to support plant recovery, gently nourish the roots, and help the plant grow stronger. If you're having any difficulties while taking care of your plants, feel free to share your plant's condition in the comments so we can find the right solution together. Add about 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution, making it gentler and safer for the plant to absorb. Next, pour the diluted solution into a spray bottle. Then lightly spray it onto the leaves, stems, and soil surface of the newly repotted plant. Using the rice and oat solution helps provide natural nutrients that support faster recovery after repotting. In addition, the solution helps stimulate root activity, supports greener leaves, and improves the plant's natural resistance during adaptation to its new environment. The remaining solution can be poured into a watering can and used to care for other plants such as snake plants. The rice and oat solution contains many natural nutrients that help provide moisture and support more stable plant growth. It also stimulates root activity, supports stronger and greener leaves, and improves the plant's natural resistance. When used properly and regularly, plants will grow more sustainably, reduce yellowing leaves, and maintain long-lasting healthy growth. Results after 2 months. From a peace lily that once looked ready to be discarded, the plant has now recovered and become lush and healthy again. Roots. The root system has grown much stronger, with many new healthy white roots firmly attaching to the potting medium, showing that the plant has adapted well to the new growing environment and that nutrient absorption has improved significantly. Leaves. The leaves have become darker green, thicker, and sturdier. New leaves continue to emerge and maintain a naturally glossy appearance. These results show that with proper care and patience, a peace lily can completely recover, grow beautifully again, and regain its original beauty. If you found this content helpful, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications to follow more simple and effective plant care methods. See you again in the next videos.